My best friends are back again. Best friends are back again. I love you guys. I love you guys. Back with my best friends. There's one. We're getting soda and blue chips. They're Cool Ranch Doritos. He calls them blue chips. You guys, come here, Skurs. You're adorable. Let's go. It's snack time. Yeah, Slurpees. I got him hooked on Slurpees. I'm in trouble now. I got you hooked on Slurpees.
Oh, I want these.
Yeah, that's $1 Slurpee. You've got to wait a little later. That's right. We'll take the trains and trolleys, and then we'll get them later.
Okay.
Okay, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. And then there's you, Skurs.
We will do it
Yes,
on
you
the
got-
choo-choo train.
Yeah, we'll do it on the choo-choo train. We're gonna go right now. We'll take the train downtown, and then we'll take the trolleys back. And we'll get Slurpees downtown. It's gonna be an epic day. Huh, Skurs? Skurs.
Choo-choo.
Yeah, zoo. Wait, did you say zoo or choo-choo? Yes, yes.
It's a soup. Choo-choo.
You said
I mean, choo-choo. It's a choo-choo.
Oh my gosh, I love you guys! We're back! We're back! We're back! Oh, I love them. Oh, guys. I love you guys more than life. All right. What are we doing with ice cream and a train? Are we doing ice cream and a train, Skurs?
Yes.
We are. Train should be here in about 2 minutes. That's a good bite, Ty. Excellent. Good job, guys. Train should be here pretty soon. Handsome heads. There's a choo-choo train.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
That's the coaster, right?
Yep, that's the cool. Look how clean it is. That's a pretty clean one. Oh yeah, go back. Adorable child. Choo choo choo. You ready, Ty?
Ready?
Great. With our tips and our skirts.
That's a
Yeah, but really good. Some of Dad's favorite chips. We're gonna go. Choo choo.
fast.
I love you guys so much. It's been fun.
Yummy.
I know, I love them too. It was one of Daddy's favorite. You can have some more Skurs.
My dad deserves it, right?
We're gonna go. That's right, coaster, the coaster train.
What?
That's right, Skurs. Give us some more chips, Skurs. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I love you. Choo-choo train.
Oh, that's that.
What's that?
That's Diego.
That's right, San Diego.
Diego is that.
That is us. Next stop, that's us. Downtown. Mr. Adorable. And the other. Oh, look at Charlie, Skurs. Oh, it just passed. That's okay, Skurs.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's not right.
Skurs, what are you doing?
You're mine. There's stuff out there you can't see. Not yet.
My downtown buddies. Come on, my little downtown buddies. It is so pretty. I just love San Diego. San Diego for me too, Ty.
Up, up.
You want me to carry you?
Yes.
I'll carry you.
Shoulders.
I can carry both of you.
Shoulders.
Okay, we'll go Tyler first. Because I've been carrying you, Skurs. Oh, it's okay, Skurs.
Oh no, me.
Okay.
Me.
Okay, let's go Ty first. Because I've been carrying you the whole time, Skursy. Hold on, Skurs. Let's go Ty.
Yes.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. healthy food with the exception of one Slurpee that we share between us. They're adorable.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Skurs. That's okay, try it again. You too, Skurs. That's a great jump. Oh, that's okay. I know, that hurts. I know. Okay, come here, I got you. Going for a walk to Little Italy. So pretty. Come on. Gorgeous. Come on, Skurs. You want my shoulders? Okay, it's your turn, Ty. Come on. Yeah, he's sleeping. Well, I mean, he is technically. Little Italy. Come on, Skurs. You're doing great, Skurs. So are you, Ty. You want my shoulders? Okay, hold on. Yay. India Street, Little Italy. Alright, let's go get some snacks. Let me carry you. Hold on. Pretty. What's up with the Oh, okay, airplane. No, it's his turn. I know someone who likes pizza, and this has got to be your dream come true. Look at all the pizza, Ty. Look at all the pizza. Pizza. Pretty cool, huh, Ty? Let's get those pizzas. Mona Lisa's. Snack time. That's right. That's where we're going. Go. They have an amazing deli here, guys. And these banana peppers, which are delicious. This way, Skurs. This way, Ty. Banana peppers. And
Banana
spicy. Look at the pepperoni pizza. That's a lot of pepperoni. And look at one slice. I know you're getting it. That's a lot of pepperoni. That's crazy. That's pepperoni, man. That's super good. Ready, Ty? Hey, Ty. I mean, seriously. It's bigger than Tyler's whole chest. Seriously, hold on, Ty. Hold on. How big this is compared to your whole chest. I think it's Alright. Can I help you? That's good mozzarella.
Yeah, yummy cheese.
Oh, that's what you're saying. My matching voice. Have sweaters on. It's getting cold downtown. So pretty. Man, we've had banana peppers, pizza, trolleys, Slurpees. Jeez Louise. It's a good thing we're doing a lot of walking. doing a lot of walking, also doing a lot of eating. We seem to stop and eat every couple blocks. Pizza, banana peppers, Slurpees, ice cream, chips, some healthy food. Come on, boys. Come on, my little downtown friends. Love them.